Alright guys, what is up? It's Xbox Snatch Productions, and today I'll be showing you how to put together your Xbox after taking it apart. First, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx 10 screwdriver. Other screwdrivers that we used last video don't need. Gone. Those are just the prime tools. Alright. Now basically what you do, take apart the magnet. Take the, see that? Take this out of there, pretty casual. Now, put that onto there. Now you want to get the other slidey part of the drive thing. Put this down. Alright, and then now I just put the magnet back. Basically how you do that is put the magnet right there and put the top right back on. Alright. Then you just slide it back on. Alright. Sorry guys if I'm coughing, I'm just a little bit sick. But no biggie. And let's put this part back on properly as like so. And then push it back farther than that. Alright guys, this might take me just a little bit. I don't know why. It's taking so long. Let's do this. Alright, figuring out the problem. Always solution to a problem. Alright. I just didn't push it far through. That clean enough. Just blah 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 blah. Never mind. You guys don't need more. Alright, snap that side and snap that side back on. Alright, now you want to take your screws, these small ones that you got from this, and just put them, place them back in the slots. Alright, and screw it back on. Screw it on the right way. So I do apologize that it is pretty dark. It's just my room does not have enough light in it, and just for the webcam being really bad, Put that outside. Alright, got too much screws left. This is going to be taken moist. So, basically, taking apart the Xbox is always harder than putting it back together. Putting it back together is the easiest part. You just gotta make sure all the parts fit back where they belong, and don't mix up any of the parts with other parts. Then you'll be screwed. Alright. Oh yeah, one time when I opened up my Xbox and I put it back together, I didn't really put the wires back on right on my disk drive, right? And yeah, just gotta watch out for that. I thought my disk drive was broken, so opening it back up, I'm like, oh my god, I didn't put it on. I didn't put the wires back on the back, Make sure you do that. And this is actually, because this part sometimes will get in the way of your thing to eject also. So if this is blocking the disc or the thing from ejecting, let's take this off, that one piece right there, because you really don't need that. That's just to hold it together. You know, you got all the screws and all that. Then you want to do is take this rubber part and put it back on properly. Yep. Oh yeah, there is a proper way of doing it, so you'll figure it out. It's something firsthand that you have to experience, like I said. This you have to be in first hand just to see all like the tiny little screw bits, the clamps and all that to open up your Xbox to take apart, you know, put it back together. Alright, so that's how you reassemble your disk drive. Now you just gotta get your Xbox from over here and plug in all the wires back properly. Like I said, you cannot mix up these little connections, because each connection has its own port, as you can see right there. So basically, what you do is these back together. Make sure they like snap on, because last time I didn't put it on right, so that makes it snap back on. Nice and easy. There you go. Alright. Now, what you want to do is take this case with the metal caging on one side of it. As you can see right here, metal. And this will be the top part of the Xbox. Back part, right here. Right there. Basically, you just chop it right down. And the outer edges, as you can see, these are the edges right here. Well, it's supposed to go on the outside of the Xbox, like what I'm doing right now. Now what you want to do is put the faceplate back on properly. The proper way of putting the faceplate back on is in between the sheet metal and the actual plastic of the case, is that you put it right in between both of them. So it'll like fit nice and snug under there. Like snug fit. Alright, hold up, guys. There we go. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, now, when you got that, put back on, you want to take your long screws and then put these back in. So, the screw holes, you'll see, again, are right there, right there, right there, on the bottom. There you got them. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, yeah, so 1, 2. So there's 2 right here, 1 right there, 1 right there, and 1 right there. Alright. You guys got the concept. And then just screw it back on. So, I know I've been away for 4 months. I know 4 months. I've been away from my channel. I've just been doing other stuff. Probably thinking of changing my YouTube name to something else, and then pretty soon I'm gonna be doing Xbox games, playthroughs, and all that with one of my friends. And yeah, make sure you stick with me. Hang in there for about like a couple months. I'll be doing some mod reviews or mod installations. What I used to do. And just keep my channel all updated. Alright. Now that you got those screws in, you want to take your other part of the case and fit this piece over with the face mask first, and then what you're going to do on this side is just snap down the clips. Like so. Make sure they are all closed. Sometimes they're not, like this one's not, and that one's not. Alright. Now for camera transition. Alright, now you want to get your Wi-Fi card. Right here. Wi-Fi card. And then plug it right back in there. Plug. Alright. You want to take your Torx 10. Torx 10. No, see this? Torx 10. And screw it right down. Alright. Okay. Now, if you want, you can put in your hard drive back in. Alright. Again, to the regular Wi-Fi side. Take the other trim, the chrome trim, and line it up with all the other clips. So the one with the 2 prongs right here will go on this side right here. So don't mix these clips up. These should just snap right on. And then you want to take this little black piece right here. Here, as you can see, I can't get it on camera, but And then take the part with the notches on the side, alright, and put it on ones with the notches right here. Line it up, and put it back on. Alright. And now you put the grill back on. Alright, now let's see is on. Yay. Alright, now let's go to the other side. And now what you want to do is do basically the same thing. So there'll be this little like a notch right here. Or this little like rolled up piece of metal right there. That will go on the side with the hard drive, like right here. On that side. Do not put it on this side right here, because I'll mess it up. So now just want to put this back on. Alright, now the black piece back on again, and line it up with the things in here. Always put it back on, snaps back on. Snap back tattoos. Just put the Reel back on. And put the last piece on. Dun, 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 dun. And we are finished assembling the Xbox 360 Slim 250 gig. And see you guys later when I do make another video, and have a nice day.